Oh, so live stream is working. Okay. Okay, and whatever. Sorry, my neighbor is not working. Let me turn off my camera. Okay, I would like to share a quick. Okay. Yes. And I would like to share. Okay, the GitHub Copilot. To use AI to simplify the whole writing process. So why we choose this as a topic in this community? Because GitHub Copilot costs money. So it's not that easy to say, okay, I'm going to use 20 USD or 20 right? 20 or 30 USD to use this project. Current pricing will be 10 for person, 90 for organization. So we choose 19 of course because of our organizations, but I believe that how many? $300 might not be much by cost. So I will show you how to use the AI to simplify the code writing process, and if you're interested in it, and you can tell me which to enter and what response will come. Okay, so here we go. So catalog will be what is Copilot and how to use Copilot on VS Code. And obvious is what? Method, function, which is Copilot chat, and the function to Copilot CLI, and my reference. So here we go. And what is Copilot? This is a Copilot icon developed by GitHub and OpenAI. So what is OpenAI? OpenAI is a company which built ChatGPT, which is the most famous one in 2023. And maybe in 2024. So the GitHub Copilot is an artificial intelligence tool developed by GitHub and OpenAI to assist users in writing code. It is a cloud-based tool that works with Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, and Neovim, and JetBrains, IDE, etc. So for course, it's currently available by subscription. Subscriptions, which means it costs money. Okay, here we go. So I do a little bit research AI tools that has been adopted with. So according to the Stack Overflow survey from 2023, 44% of developers are already using AI tools such as Copilot, GitHub Copilot, and the famous one, or I have used, which is AWS Code Whisperer, and okay, so which says that 26 plan to do so. So which means that already 60% of developers are willing to use AI to help them write their code. So students are learning to code show even greater usage at 55%, which means AI is a main flow at this moment or even in the future. So let's go on. So let's download download Copilot on VS Code and try to ask him something and see what the response will be. So finally, in the extensions marketplace, search GitHub Copilot on VS Code extensions, install it, and log in as follow by instructions like this. And when you see the icon shown at the bottom right corner of the screen, which is a little bit like Copilot's icon, which means the Copilot is ready to be used and is ready to answer you the questions. So, the Copilot chat, VS Code and terminals, and I will try to ask him in VS Code and in the terminal. Okay, so the terminal will be at the left click chat, and you can see the introductions like welcome, and you have already linked to your GitHub, so we will show your GitHub's name, and however our organization name will be Thinker, and my first name will be my family name will be Huang, so I'm going to be Thinker Huang. So a little bit brief instructions, and you can something like you can see in the chat GPT. So we're trying to ask him some questions. Let's go. Sorry. So first I tried asking in English. For example, give a sample code of how to work in Python. So yes, give me the right answer, like a person who answered me. So the interesting part will be, can it answer in multiple languages? So I tried to answer him in Chinese. And 其实一个 Hello World 的 Python 程式码给我。Of course, his answer is correct and in a very natural Chinese way. But I think yes, he can answer me in Chinese method.
Well, so how about the demo?
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Let's show real time.
Sorry. Now this one. Hold on. I'm trying to open a new one. Okay, and I will show you the GitHub Copilot chat. This way, can you see it clearly? Okay. And a little bit small. Windows plus U. Thank you.
Yes.
これが。
Yes.
なんだっけこれか。なんかおかしいね。おかしくなった。ちょっと待って。なんかできないですね。はい、小さいってことですよね。どうしよう。
ビカスフォント。コントロール。
はい。
コントロールアップ。OL。
コントロール。
ホイール。
はい。アップ。マイナスホイール。コントロールプラスマイナスホイール。ごめん、わかんない。
フォントサイズを変える。
フォントサイズを変える。
コントロール。
はい。
マスホイールカーソル。
マウスカーソル。
ビジュアル、ソース、ビジュアルスタイル、
ちょっと待って。見えますか？こうやった。で、こうやると、見えますか？はい。で、ちょっと、表示が良くないんですけど、はい。And I'm going to ask you some questions. For example, no, I think I cannot enter, use anything. It goes to a weird way. Please, yes, it can be used. Sorry for that.
Maybe after you finish typing, you
Okay.
maybe
So,
after we see.
any questions? Any questions? Well, any questions welcome.
No part, no. Please show us the chat result.
Chat result. There's no chat result, so I will make it here right now. So please give me a sample code of Python hello world. So it tells me that I'm able to move it. Why? Okay. Let's say, please give me a sample code of Python. Hello, not hello, okay? So he answered me correctly in hello world, so let's forget about it. So sure. Okay, you understand what I'm asking about. So this is why Copilot is very smart and strong, have many functions. So sure, here is a simple Python code snippet that brings to the console, so print hello world, which is correct. So well done, well done. So I'm asking. So I'm going to ask in Chinese. It turns out yes in the correct ways. And then as in English, his result. So I think it's working very well. Chinese is also Japanese is not as well.
I think Japanese is not needed for this time.
And it's not needed for this time. Okay, I'll skip about it, but I think it works. Yes. So I answer in maybe not quite good English, not quite good Japanese. So he's thinking and answering in the correct way. It works well. Very well done.
Even Japanese is working.
Yes, it's working in Japanese, in Chinese, and of course in English. It's very useful, I think, at this moment. So, and we're going to move on to the next page. Oh, yes. And I'm going to ask you some stupid questions, make some stupid questions in the terminal. When something goes wrong, you're able to click this start mark correctly for the explanation. So, hold on. And open this one, which is Spring Hello World that made. Okay, can you see that right? This one. Oh, you can see that at this one, right? So I'm open a new terminal this way, and I will use print. Yeah, sorry. This one, Python or of course it works. Can I open file? Why? I put it the wrong way. Sorry. In the wrong desktop. This. ちょっと待って。
じゃない、全然パスになってる。
デスクトップの D が大文字？
いえ、そこにスラッシュがいらない。
スラッシュがいらない。
スペース。
聞いたのなんか。こうか。ありがとうございます。そう。So we run this one, and he shows hello world, print hello world, of course, he will print hello world for us. So I'm going to ask him some stupid questions and make some typos. For example, this one, and of course the Python. And I see this explanation. I don't know what it's talking about. So there is a start mark. I click this start mark. Explain using Copilot, which is quick fix. So it will tell me. It seems like there's a typo in the command. The Python interpreter is involved was Python. Instead Python is the correct command. And once I put this one, and of course it's working. Of course. Bigger. Okay, and once I don't know this explanation is talking about, I will click the stop mark. It will answer me that it seems like this, or type in your command, and the Python interpreter is involved was Python, so Python is the correct one, it tells me correct one. So I put this in the words, of course. So maybe more stupid questions will be is needed. So I'm going to ask him why I should use Python instead of Python. And once I ask him the further questions, and he will answer me why, and you can know what you are seeking about, like this, which is quite like ChatGPT's function. Okay, and we see that. Sorry. Okay. So you can see that the command is not recognized because and the command pattern is used in the Python interpreter, something, etc. Okay. And this is how the Copilot chat works. So let's move on. This one. Bigger right. Okay. So explain using a Copilot is a thing that I had shown earlier. So let's move on. So making some chat in the terminal. After this will be answered in the middle of the screen instead of the left blade. And you can ask further questions using the bar in the middle of the screen, which is ask Copilot or type for commands like this. Yamanaka-san. Can be seen clearly? Can be seen clearly?
What do you mean? Sorry?
はっきり見えます？
彼とクリアし。
Clear. Okay. And so let's move on. So the next topic will be a Copilot CLI, which is a little bit tricky part. And we're going to use a Copilot CLI. We'll have to check use GH, which means GitHub authentic login, to log in into the GitHub and install GitHub CLI by using which is extension install, something like this. So I will check the versions. The version will tell me is 2.9.0 and the URL, something like that. So we use GitHub explanations. It will explain something for us, and let's give it a try. Sorry, wrong thing. Okay, here is our PowerShell. So we are going to use this.
Very small.
Too small? Too small?
Maybe after you get the result, magnify
Okay.
Already you can.
And we're going to kick out Copilot in CLI and the version. However, this is a beta version, so there might be something changed in the future or cannot be used in the future. But however, we can use it at this moment. So which command would you like to explain? For example, I'm going to ask stash. So I ask, what is stash? And it tells me that stash is a command in Git that allows you to temporarily set changes that have not yet been committed. So you can switch to a different branch or work on another task without committing complete changes and something like that. And it tells me some functions, some command, which is quite useful, I think. So, okay, here is a basic explain. That's some usage of a command. So the next page, for example, I would like to create a new branch on the main branch, but I don't know how to do it. So I ask, how to create a new branch on the main branch? And he answered me something like this. Here is a breakdown, which means something check out, branch, check out, new branch, something like that. And of course it works. So let's move on. So to get the code without any explanations, try use GH Copilot suggest. So we'll put this one, this here. So can you see clearly on my eyes? I suppose not. So, okay, and what kind of command can I help you with? Use arrows to move type to filter, and which means I can choose put a weird place. So I can ask this. I can ask Copilot CLI with generic shell command, GitHub command or Git command. So the tricky one will be Git command, I suppose. So I'm going to ask Git command. So what would you like Git command to do? And let's try to say something difficult. For example, let's go stage.
You like.
I like stage because stage is perfect.
You like.
So what he went to do is stage. So he answered me, use git stage to stage things. So you can ask him further questions, selecting options. By selecting an options, for example, you can copy the comment, clipboard, explain the comment, revise and read the response. I don't know what stage means, so I would like you to explain. So I use explain comment. Okay, here we go. Wait. Explain is coming out. Oh yes. And it says that git stage is used to say quantify change library to becoming something like the explain told me earlier. So okay, I see. I know what you're talking about. So I use exit and sign. Okay. So however, please remember that. And this is it. However, it's not able to explain the answer by other languages. For example, I would like to make a new branch. So I asked Copilot CLI, 告诉我要怎么做一个 new branch. And he told me that git checkout and b new branch chain can make a new branch. But however, in the second part of the options, I would like it to explain in Chinese, but however, it just only answer me in English. So it may be a little bit not useful, but it's quite yes, something it can be improved in the future, I suppose. So at this moment, I suppose the GitHub chat, which can be used on VS Code, is much more useful in this moment. Okay, get to the next page, and then my reference, which is GitHub Copilot CLI and something like that. And that's all. Thank you. ありがとうございました。ありがとうございます。はい、そうですね、ちょっと、はい、用事がありますので。ありがとうございます。また来月、GitHub Action ということで。はい。はい。失礼いたします。お疲れ様です。
Yes.
僕から話をしたいならば、僕から話をしたいならば、
ごめんなさい、今こちらで話してるので少し待ってもらっていいですか。そう言ってね、スクリーンだ。 sorry, Hiro, I'm back.
ああ、ここから日本でなってた。
ここに来ても、なんか、中さんの声がすごいハウリングしてて、よく聞こえないんですけど、聞こえるは聞こえるんだけど、何個してるというか、わからない聞いてなんですけど。
ここから日本になってた。
ライトニングトーク。一応、中さんスピーカーに入れさせてもらってましたけど、なしの上からです。
いや、LT はいいけど、普通のセッションじゃないよね。
普通のセッションではないですよ。
今作ってるから。
いや、そうやって話をしてるところ、いきなりで恐縮ですけれど、その LT の話に入っていってよろしいでしょうか。
OK。
ライトニングトーク。Every time starts. ライトニングトークに
Hi, everyone. My name is Naka Hiroshi. Birthday is February 22. I always want a birthday present. Is always. Hey, do you use AI? Hey, Tomoya, do you use AI?
About Copilot, yes, I'm using. And then ChatGPT also using. Maybe I will switch to GitHub Copilot chat. But before I was using ChatGPT.
Yeah, OpenAI with GPT, I already have a contract with $20 per month.
4 months.
Detailed translation too, I already have a contract with about $10 per month.
So you are paying.
Yeah.
Oh,
And do you know JetBrains?
JetBrains? Oh, yes. The famous ID software.
Yeah. JetBrains, do you know JetBrains AI?
Wait, JetBrains AI? No, I don't know. JetBrains also?
Yeah. It's $10 per month.
Additional $10 actually?
Yeah. It's a start demonstration.
JetBrains AI, what kind of feature you can get?
It's so sample one. Please let me know a few libraries that can easily implement the whole validation in React.
Can you share with me?
Yes,
Oh, maybe, good. Please let me know a few libraries that can easily implement one validation in React. AI assistant is one code and sample. So we go to code example. And
so this is similar to GitHub Copilot chapter, right? Similar, but more.
looking like the data Next.js which data and it's syntax error.
Syntax error
Why? Oh,
Unfortunately,
Sorry.
information you provide.
I'm with Tomoya.
The issue. More
yes,
information.
yes.
Hiro, sorry, time up. And hard is Haruki, are you ready to start? Oh. Okay, start. Wait. Okay. Let's start. Yeah, now start. Haruki, I think you are still mute. Please down on mic. Could you down the mic down to mute? Yeah.
Only
Haruki.
time screen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
I can see your presentation.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to Wankuma. I want to visit to Taiwan again.
Okay.
Do you know USB taxi?
Yes, of course.
Do you know?
There's a taxi everywhere.
Taxi time, very correct.
Oh,
Oh,
many times.
yes. Very difficult. The confusion was
Oh,
very confused. The confusion was USB 3.0. You know? USB 3.1 Gen 1. You know? Gen 2. 3.2 Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 2.2. Making them so confusing. Yes. And is the 2.0 series. So, USB 3.5 Gbps, then 3.1 Gen 1, 10, 5G, still confused. Favorite, yes, USB 3.0 X specification failure. Little easy, and easy. Is color, the light, speed 3.0, 5 giga, Gen 2, 10 giga, 2 by 2, 3.2, 2 by 2, Gen 2 by 2, 20 giga bps. And today information, today announced Windows 11 support by 80 gigabps USB 4 or 5 Thunderbolt 4 or no Speed by interface. Yes, USB 2.0 type A and C 480 megabyte bps. It's really safe. Like SD, like CC, 2.5 CC, 3.5 CC, or 10 times speed. And take to Gen 1 5 giga, then to 10 giga, maybe 2 times speed. Then to 5 to 20 gigabps, 2 times slow speeds, but you need more speed NVMe SSD. Yes. And Thunderbolt 3. No, I can't confirm Thunderbolt 3 enable cable Type-C cable. Version 1, USB 4 is Thunderbolt 3 based USB regulation for cable and DVD. Version 2, you need Thunderbolt 4 cable. So its time is over. You also enclose a stick using for number 2. Hey, thank you.
So many times.
Thank you.
It's increasing. Oh my.
Yes, very confused.
I am getting. My son. Let me talk about time starts. Let me talk about the free PostgreSQL service, Elephant SQL. Do you know this service? PostgreSQL service, Elephant SQL. For today's session, I was looking for free PostgreSQL service, and I found this one. This part I was very much attracted. It's for free. We can try. Very small and then client connection for free. It's free. Interesting. No credit card information is needed as long as you don't use paid plan, free plan, no subscription. Because I already registered company email address. I didn't.
Could you just me?
Sorry. I was holding initial. I'm talking about this service.
Another table is cheap. It's cheap.
Which table? Right.
Example three. 500 megabytes data per dollar per month. 1 gigabyte, $10 per month.
So free running is important. That's my opinion. I think I'm doing many things at once. Many things at once. Little by little, our Taipei activity is expanding. More step, but one step advance. For example, happy. Oh, by the way, Hiro, do you have a LINE ID? How do you join our
What?
LINE ID? We can.
Yamanaka Wankuma.
Oh, no. Thank you.
Yes.
I will look for it. Last one, Embulk. Yeah, we already started. How to use Embulk? Tomoya. Yeah, let's start. What is Embulk? Embulk is an open source plugin style bulk data loader and feeder. We are using our company, I and Juan working together. で、東京 taking time, but it will be added. Yeah, finished. New one is added. So, it was
I want to try Embulk,
Oh,
but do you Azure SQL?
Azure SQL? SQL Server is also supported.
But Azure SQL is Entra ID. Entra ID. Azure AD. Authentication. This browser window. But console application. Do you use it?
Key authentication I don't JIB to support. You know, it's Java program, so not sure if it's supported.
But this guy using sign-in page is auto ID standard implementation. Try Azure AD, Azure SQL, and
If you are very much interested, maybe you can search and you can look for example plugin or code. Input, output,
but in total time, but authority authorization. Use the password URL for this connection. This not support.
I'm sorry, currently I cannot find. If you are really needed, maybe we can look for. We can search later, seriously, together. But for today's event, I think time up, so please allow me to finish. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Today I forgot the closing page. Maybe closing page. But next month, because even though our event is every second Friday, which is time. But next month is Chinese New Year holiday, so only February it will be 3rd Friday. So February 16 we will have event. If you feel okay to join us, please come. We are doing every month. If there is no trouble, YouTube broadcasting is also real time. So, please, prefer. And because we are already connected, feel free to message any question anytime, please. Thank you. That's all. 谢谢。Yeah. It's over. Thank you.
Thank you.
I will start.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I